Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a CheapAir account. If you don't have a CheapAir account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put a link of some of our partners who offers cheap flight tickets. To start, open the website, or click our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for Join. Click on Join. Now, enter all the required information. First, enter your first name, last name, and email. Next, enter a password you wish to use. Then confirm password on the fifth field. Also, enter your home city. After entering all the required information, click on Create Account. That's how you create a WestJet Rewards account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.